Okay.
Stay right there. Don't move. Picture perfect.
Oh, I did?
They're moving. Right when I told them not to move, they move. That's cute.
It's a good thing I got this on tape.
Oh, is that tape? Oh, yeah. Hey, Gene, you know you still have your helmet from that one day and that picture you're holding it like by... Yeah. I still have my penguin shirt.
I still have that picture. It's on my phone, actually.
I wore it the other day.
Oh.
I was wearing a penguin shirt.
Okay.
Marcel, come watch this.
I'm so excited.
Thanks.
Oh, my God.
You see his eyes just go... Look at Dean. Can this go on YouTube?
What? Mr. Zabel? You're crazy.
Mr. Zabel.
Mr. Zabel's badass.
Who's Mr. Zabel?
He's somebody I'd like to... No, he's fucking Edward. He looks like fucking Edward Cullen. He looks like Harry Potter.
Alex Edward Cullen.
No, Lord of the Rings. You don't think that's No, I've never seen that movie.
Lord of the Rings is gay.
Yeah. I like never...
That's terrible.
Oh, that's getting me worse.
That's so cute! I'm not overwhelmed with emotion today.
Gay. I told you he was gay.
I know he's gay. Not you.
That's gay.
Sorry, I don't feel love here.
I'm sorry.
Oh, kiss.
No.
Oh my God! Remember, I was trying. I do peer pressure with you that one day at school. I was there for 10 hours, waiting for some magic to happen.
So I did.
I waited there for 10 hours. Right before she leaves, she does it.
My dad was there too. But we don't bring up those times because they just make me angry.
Do you want to? Oh.